Hi guys, as you know, recently, before the Republic Day celebration this year, the National War Memorial and Amar Jawan Jyoti, located at India Gate, was all over in the media and news. The reason was our government has decided to merge India's Gate Amar Jawan Jyoti with the flame at National War Memorial. The visuals were very patriotic and beautiful, which makes me more curious to go and visit National War Memorial and celebrate the sacrifice of our martyrs.
ये ऐतिहासिक क्षण है जिसको देख रहे हैं कि अमर जवान ज्योति से लाई गई मशाल की लौ के जरिए अब इस वक्त शहीद स्मारक पर राष्ट्रीय युद्ध स्मारक की लौ को प्रज्वलित किया जा रहा है और इसमें अमर जवान ज्योति की लौ समाहित है।
Now I am here at the exact location of National War Memorial, accompanied by my friend Rajesh. We are here at the iconic structure of our country, that is India Gate, and the National War Memorial is just behind it. The flowers, the trees, and the fountains at the entrance are so beautiful and amazing to see. The National War Memorial is basically consists of 4 chakras, namely Amar Chakra, Veerta Chakra, Tyag Chakra, and Raksha Chakra. The outermost circle, made of rows of trees, is the Rakshak Chakra, also called the Circle of Protection. Each tree represents the soldiers of our country who provides us protection round the clock. Tyag Chakra, also called Circle of Sacrifice. These circular concentric walls symbolize the ancient war formation Chakravyuh. The walls are clad with granite tablets, where an independent granite tablet is dedicated to each soldier who has made the supreme sacrifice. These are the flags of Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, and the tallest of all, our country, which fills us with pride and satisfaction. We then decide to find the tablet of Captain Vikram Batra among around 26,000 tablets threaded here. Rajesh, using the National War Memorial app, got the exact location of tablet. Veerta Chakra, also called Circle of Bravery. It depicts the bravery of Indian forces in the form of a covered gallery that exhibits 6 murals depicting various battle actions of Indian armed forces. Amar Chakra, also called Circle of Immortality. This has a pillar with eternal flame, symbolizes the immortality of the spirit of fallen soldiers with the assurance that the nation will never forget their sacrifice. This is one of the interesting concepts which I liked. Here you can pay homage by garlanding and flowering digitally to any martyrs.